Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Nike Inc. And if you look at the stock of Nike, what you can see here is firstly the stock is at its lifetime high, and this stock is indeed very strong in terms of its trend and the way the stock has been moving higher from the past. I mean 20, 30, probably 35 odd years is phenomenal. So the stock from the lows of 1984 to its recent highs has already given 118,000 percentage in terms of returns. Okay, so it's literally phenomenal that $1 you have invested in 1984 now becomes $118,000. So it's really phenomenal on the upside, and the stock is at its lifetime high. So this kind of stock does make somebody who is long-term investing, who does or who has invested this stock. I mean, how lucky he or she feels when their investment moves and gives and return like this. Okay, so sometimes things happen and things happen for good, and those who have invested and kept their faith for this kind of stock, and obviously they have made lots of money. Now what you can see here, the trend which has been shifted. So obviously the stock is moving upside, but the range has shifted after 1998. So the range has been from 1985 till 1999, 1998, 1999 was different. Now after that period, so after 2000, the range or the trend has shifted. Okay, so we are going to discuss about the current trend and how the trend has shifted for this stock, and what could be the probable support and resistance or the target which we could see on the upside in the times to come. Okay, this is what we need to know. So for that, what I can do here is just expand this range a bit so that we can get the support and resistance probably in a much better way. Okay, so now we can see the support and resistance. So what you can see here is this. Okay, that your big resistance will come at around $140. Okay, or the target will be around $140. Now you have some support levels as well. Okay, you have some support levels on the downside and probably on the upside as well in between. Okay, so this is so this is something which you need to look at. So your current support level will be at around $116. Then you have $140 on the upside as a target. So I'm not going to move above $140 because this will be your big resistance, and let the stock settles above $140 and let the stock decide where and how it want to move. Then we will discuss about the stock further. Okay, now you can see here the range is something like this. So we have $73 to $85 on the downside as your support level, and as a target we can see $116 to $140 on the upside. Now looking at the current trend, the stock is moving towards $140 odd. So there could be two scenarios which will happen in this case. So obviously when the stock is moving toward its higher end of the range, so either there will be a correction. Okay, either there will be a correction from this level to, obviously we have seen in the previous scenarios the stock may fall back towards 126 or probably $100 odd on the downside, or in a positive circumstance there can be a breakout. Okay, so beyond $140, once it reaches $140 and make a big breakout, then there will be a shift in the trend. So that thing is yet to come, so we will probably restrict ourselves till 140 or dollars. But understand this, if you are a long term investor and if you have hold this stock for a long term time frame, obviously there is no need to worry. Then in this kind of trend, you will find, or you need to find good support levels to buy this particular script. That's what you can do. But let me tell you one thing, so we have restricted ourselves till 140 for the time being, and we will decide once the stock reaches here, and if the correction comes, obviously the trend will be intact, or if the stock goes above 140, trend will be changed. But in case of adverse scenario, if the stock falls below $73, then the next support will come at around $45. So you need to know about the support and resistance under adverse scenarios, where your big support will come at around 85, then 73, and if it falls below 73, then you have 45 on the downside. So you need to know about this, and you need to place your positions or investing or trading bets accordingly. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.